welcome back, Style Squad. Welcome back to another video. Yes, so we are going to do a little video today. It will be about pedicure. We gotta get those toes looking cute. It's summer and those toes gonna be out, so they're definitely gonna have to look their best. Right now, guys, I am just showing you a little routine of taking care of my feet, my toes, and having them looking beautiful. Now, sorry for the background noise, guys. We don't let that stop our show on this channel, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. Right, so as you would see the clip of my toes, guys, I'm a bit depressed because my toes are looking awful. We're gonna fix that today. Right now, if you are new here, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more of what I do here. Yes. And if you are a resident subscriber, thank you, big up yourself. Thank you so much for the support. Continue supporting. I am truly thankful and grateful for your support. Alright, right, click like button and definitely comment down in the comment section what you think about my video and what you think about my nails when it's finished and how it turns out. Now, guys, I don't know it's gonna turn out, but I'm praying that it looks good after. So let's see what's gonna happen. Now let's get into the video. I like to use acetone to remove the polish of my nails. Now, you can definitely use nail remover, nothing is wrong with it, but I think the acetone works better and it takes off the old polish much better. So that's what I'm gonna do. Right, so get this, a cotton swab, tissue, or the lint free swabs you have, whatever you have, you can use, and we're going to go ahead and clean the toes off. Now, guys, I'm not going to show you how my toes looking right now, but you saw the picture, and I ain't saying nothing more. Right, so I'm going to clean these off. And then I'm gonna soak them in the pan. Right, so okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, guys, so I've gone ahead and cleaned off my toes. I clip them to the length I want them, and then I am gonna go in with my cuticle softener. I'm not sure if you're seeing that, guys. Cuticle softener. I'm gonna put these on my cuticle, and then I'm gonna put my feet in the warm water, right, to soak for at least 15 minutes, and then we'll go ahead with cleaning the foot. Right, yeah. Okay, guys, so I went ahead to put the softener on, cuticle softener, and my feet is now in the water. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna soak for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna start cleaning and getting those feet looking pretty again. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I went ahead to cut and clean up the first foot for my little toe, guys. I damaged that when I was a bit younger. It never came back, but it's still looking great. So I'm gonna go ahead with the pedi. Let me show you this. I'm gonna go ahead with the pedi egg, right, and I'm gonna go ahead and get those eels together. Okay, so they're all cut and cleaned up and ready for polish. These are the colors I'm thinking of: white, purple, red, or nude. I've been wearing white for a while, so I am thinking so it's either the purple or lavender, if you want to call it that, the red, or the nude. I think I want to go with a little color, not too bright as the red, but a little color. So I'm gonna go with the purple, guys. What do you think? Go down in the comment section, let me know if I should use the purple. Guys, so there they are, all painted and looking cute. You know, I don't know why the purple looks like a blue on this, but yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button so you can see whenever I upload, and definitely go ahead and comment what you think about me doing my pedicure here. What you think, guys? Let me know down in the comment section. Thank you so much, and have yourself a wonderful day, and until the next video, mwah, bye.